Hello and welcome to the lecture session. In today's session, I am going to present what is a Stokes theorem, that is vector integration. Under the vector integration, the Stokes theorem I am going to explain, and also the problems related to the Stokes theorem. In the Stokes theorem, the statement of the Stokes theorem says that let S be a surface and let f is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k be a vector point function, where f1, f2 and f3 are in the variables of x, y, z. Then for any unit vector of the surface n cap of a closed curve C, then the closed integral along the closed curve C, f dot of ds is equal to a surface integral or double integral along the surface S of curl f dot n cap into ds, or that is given by a surface integral of del cross f dot n cap ds. Here the n cap of ds can be also written as dy dzi plus dz dxj plus dx dyk. So this is the Stokes theorem which we will be using to evaluate an integral. Let us use this Stokes theorem in order to solve the problems. First problem, using the Stokes theorem for f is equal to yi plus zj plus xk. S is the upper half of the sphere, x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal to 1, and C is the boundary. Here f is equal to, given f is equal to yi plus zj plus xk. So in order to evaluate, curl f has to be determined. So curl f is given by del cross f, where del cross f is the determinant I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, y, z, x. These are the I, j, k components respectively. Now, first of all, let us determine the value of this determinant, that is I times of dou by dou y of x minus dou by dou z of z. And we know that dou by dou y of x will become 0, dou by dou z of z will be 1. So that is what has been written into I, minus j times of, leaving the column and then the row, dou by dou x of x, dou by dou z of y. So it will be 1 minus 0, because dou by dou z of y will be 0, dou by dou x of x will be 1, therefore 1 minus 0. Next, k times of, leaving this column and then the row, dou by dou x of z, which is 0, minus dou by dou y of y, which is 1. So 0 minus 1 into k. Therefore, the curl f will be equal to minus I minus j minus k, where S is the surface of the half of the sphere, x squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal to 1, and its normal becomes n cap is equal to k. So the curl f dot n cap is given by minus I minus j minus k dot k. Here we don't have in the second one, that is n cap, we don't have I and j terms. So only k dot k will be multiplied. That gives us minus 1. So curl f dot n cap will be minus 1. Therefore, by the Stokes theorem, we have contour integral or closed interval integral into f dot of dr is given by double integral curl f dot n cap ds. That gives double integral of minus 1 because the curl f dot n cap is minus 1 into ds. Or taking the minus 1 minus outside, we get double integral of 1 ds, which is nothing but the area. Where area is what? A is the area of the circle. X squared plus y square is equal to 1. And we know that the circle area is pi r square. And r is the unit radius. Here it is mentioned. 1 is the radius. Therefore, pi into 1 square, which gives us pi. Therefore, on substituting the value of a in this, we get integral of f dot dr is equal to minus pi. The second problem, if 2x minus y of I minus yz square of j minus y square z of k, where s is the upper half of the sphere, x squared plus y squared plus z square is equal to 2, is closed by the curve C. Use Stokes theorem to find f dot dr of the integral along C. Given f is equal to 2x minus y I plus minus yz square j minus y square z k. Therefore, the curl f is given by del cross f, or the determinant I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, 2x minus y square yz square minus y square z. So when we evaluate the determinant, I times of dou by dou y of minus y square z minus dou by dou z of minus yz square. When we do this one, we will be getting minus 2yz first term, and dou by dou z of this one will be 2yz of I, minus j times of dou by dou x of y square z, which will be 0, and dou by dou z of 2x minus y is also 0, into j, plus k times of dou by dou x of minus yz square is 0, and dou by dou y of 2x minus y will be minus 1, but it is minus of minus, it will be plus 1. So we get this one. And here 2yz and 2yz cancels, so I component will be 0 and the j component is also 0. Only we get the k component, that is curl f is given by k, where S is the upper half of the sphere, x squared plus y squared plus z square is equals to 1. So its normal is n cap is equals to k. So curl f dot n cap is equals to k dot k, that is 1. By using the Stokes theorem, we have integral of f dr along the closed curve C is given by the surface integral of curl f dot n cap ds. That gives us again double integral along S of 1 ds. That gives the area, where A is the area of the circle, x squared plus y square is equal to 1. Here we can observe 1 is nothing but the radius. Therefore, area of the circle is given by pi r square, where 1 is the radius, that is pi into 1 square. That gives us pi. Therefore, integral along C of f dot dr is equal to pi. This is the value. Thank you.